We're spending 80 seconds with Deon Rohde, the Market Segment Manager for Avionic Test. Deon, can you please tell us about the advantages of the Rohde and Schwarz avionic test solutions?
Indeed, partnering with system integrators, ANSPs, and aviation authorities, Rohde and Schwarz has raised to the challenge of delivering specialized air navigation test solutions capable of performing multiple or simultaneous high-speed measurements with lab instrument precision for the ground-based, also for the flight-based, but now also for the growing drone-based market applications and according to ICAO standards. This includes some unique features such as spectrum analysis, analog measurements, digital decoding, all in a single, robust, high-precision instrument and with the needed measurement repeatability that our customers require.
That sounds really interesting. You mentioned drone-based air navigation testing. How do you see the test applications and what solutions are we offering here?
Interesting question. At the recent International Flight Inspection Technology Symposium and the World ATM Conference, we were inundated by interest from ANSPs and aviation authorities on our planned launch at the end of this year of our new lightweight aerodynamic EVSD 1000. The EVSD 1000 has been specifically designed and developed for drone-based air navigation testing and can provide fast, accurate, ICAO-compliant measurements on ILS, GBAS, and VOR ground stations, including course clearance analysis of 2 frequency ILS ground stations in 1 receiver.
Thank you, Deon, for being here and all these interesting insights. Please stay tuned for more content, like this video and follow us on our social media channels.